This video is part 2 of the intro into the concept behind the focus and mini lessons part of our MATLAB course creation video series. This video will only key on the focus part. As far as the focus activity, this is a very fun way to spiral through math problems that are not directly related to the material unless by coincidence. We use this as a warm-up in the sense of simply easing the students into being ready to learn. Problems are displayed on the board for the students to solve on a blank pre-made worksheet. Each worksheet will hold up to 8 focus question answers. However, there's an additional twist. Simultaneously, we play an instrumental version of a song in the background that students can't see but can only hear. The student's job is to answer the math question and then guess the song title or artist. The teacher quickly glances over the papers as they are handed in to identify the first person correct with the song title as well. The teacher also glances through to see what minor misconceptions the students have to give them teachable moments upon going over the answer. This is just a simple visual of what the bin could look like where they hand it in up front. The person that had the correct answer and song title first gets an estimation guess, and that is tied to our reward system. Please reference our reward-based videos if you're unaware of what this is, but as a reminder, here is what we're referring to. These focus questions are always done the same day as the mini lessons, and therefore there are the same number of focus questions as there are mini lessons. We typically roll out the focus questions in grouped themes. What this means is that we will do 3 to 4 of the same problem type in total, with the third or fourth one being a mini quiz grade. This will be more clear once we show you the actual questions themselves in a future video. A side bonus that develops from this is if you can get into the habit of being strict about when you display the problem and simultaneously hit play on the hidden video to the moment class is supposed to start, you'll even see a minor lateness drop because they will want to hear the song and be the first to hand it in. In fact, I am strict with once they hand it in, they get one shot. It's in. This is a little counterintuitive to what we as a teacher would typically do and allow. However, this is not high stakes and allows the activity to be more fun and meaningful. To further explain this point, I sometimes will have students hand in the paper and either realize they did something wrong mathematically, or more likely they realize they guessed the song wrong and it hit them like moments later or too late. So allowing them to shuffle back through the papers that were already handed in to find theirs causes too many potential problems. One example would be, are they putting the paper back as if they just handed it in, or are they trying to slip the paper under the pile to be under earlier consideration to potentially win that day? We will try to reiterate these conceptual points while we are showing the actual examples in future videos to help tie everything together and make more sense. Alright, this is a good stopping point for this intro video. Stay tuned for a deeper and more detailed dive into the specifics of what everything looks like and how we put it all together behind the scenes.